Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. Well, Robin, it was great to see you and meet with your clients out at the house today. Let's take a moment, though. Let's take a look at the top of the chimneys here. So we're in the keeping room. This is the more traditional fireplace because it is a wood burner dash gas logs. It was wood, then they installed the gas logs. Everything up here looks great. The top, the chimney cap, everything about that one looks great. We look in the living room, which is also prefab, and it's called a direct vent. It either vents horizontal or vertical. This particular one does vent vertically up between the walls and up and outside. And here's a side view of the chimney. Here's the top. Everything looks great up there. If we look in the keeping room, we do see it's an open fireplace, and it does have working vented gas logs that operate either manually, like we were doing today, or on a remote. The damper must remain open all the time. That's for your safety. You never want to put yourself in a position where you close the damper, forget to open it, fire up the logs, and fill the house up with carbon monoxide, something you wouldn't be able to see or smell. So leave it in the open position the way it is today. Flue system looks good. We go in that living room and we see that this direct vent fireplace operates off the switch on the left-hand side, operates beautifully. It is a Heat and Glow, which is a very reliable manufacturer fireplace. If folks have questions for me, give me a call, 704-526-6348. You can email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?